In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and update contacts in Outlook Address Book. We'll walk through a clear, simple process so you can quickly tidy up a contact, add key details, and give it a profile photo for easy recognition. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search box, type Outlook. From the results, click the official Outlook website to open your Outlook on the web. This takes you to your mailbox, where we'll switch to the Contacts area. On the left sidebar, find and click the People icon. This is your Outlook address book, where all your contacts are organized. Once you're in People, choose the contact you want to edit. You can scroll through your list and select the one that needs updating to open their details view. In the Contact view, click the three dots, sometimes labeled as More Actions. From that menu, click Edit Contact. This opens the editing panel where you can change or add information. Here, you can add a mobile phone number to keep the contact reachable wherever they are. Make sure the number is accurate and formatted correctly for your region. If the contact already has a number, you can update it if it's changed. You can also type notes for this contact. Notes are great for adding context you want to remember, such as how you met, important preferences, or project details. Keep notes professional, and avoid adding any sensitive information you wouldn't want stored in a contact record. To help you recognize the person at a glance, you can also add a profile photo. Click the camera icon on the contact's picture area to get started. Then click Upload a new photo. Choose a photo from your files that's clear, well lit, and ideally shows the person's face straight on. Once selected, you'll see a preview. Adjust it if needed so the face is centered and visible. When you're happy with your updates, click Save. Saving applies all the changes you made, including the mobile number, notes, and profile photo. Your updated contact will now appear consistently in your Outlook address book, and those changes will reflect across Outlook on the web and any connected apps. That's it. You went from opening Outlook to locating people, selecting a contact, editing details, adding helpful notes, uploading a profile photo, and saving your changes. Use this same process whenever a contact's information changes so your address book stays accurate and useful every day.